Okay, so we're told to use the displacement function x equals a cos nt plus alpha to solve this. So what conditions are we given? We're given x equals 1, so I'll put x equals 1 at the beginning. So the beginning would be t equals 0, which means 1 equals a cos alpha. Also at the end of the first and second seconds, the particle is 5. So we also know that if I let x equals 5, so first let's make t1, so that would be n plus alpha, and then let's make t2, so that would be 2n plus alpha. All right, so we know all those three things, and we're going to put this one inside the other two to start with. So if I expand them out and put them in, so we're going to have 5 equals a, so this will be cos minus sin, and remembering that a cos alpha is 1, so here's a cos alpha, so that's all 1 from what I've circled, so that's just cos n minus a sin n sin alpha. All right, let's have a look at the other one. So here we're going to have a cos minus sin. Again, a cos alpha is 1, so this is just going to be cos 2n. And over here, I'm going to change this sin 2n to 2 sin n cos n. So that'll be 2a sin n cos n and sin alpha. All right, and I don't want the cos 2n either, so I'm going to change that double angle into a single angle by using the identity 2 cos squared n minus 1. And then keep this. All right, so what can we do? Let's put that minus 1 on the other side, so that becomes a 6. Let's factorize the rest by a 2. Actually, let's factorize, we'll do it in a second. All right, so that's a cos squared, and that's an a sin n, sin alpha, cos n, just put it in different order. All right, so 6 divided by 2 is a 3, and that bit in brackets I'll actually divide by a cos n, so factorize, sorry, by a cos n. So cos n minus a. What do we have left here? Sin n, sin alpha. And that is exactly what this is. So if we go and sub that down here, we're going to get 3 equals cos n times 5. So divide by 5 and I get 3 on 5 is cos n, or running out of room, n equals inverse cos of 3/5. Now, the question was prove the period of motion. The period of motion, remember, is 2 pi on n. So that will be 2 pi on n is inverse cos 3/5. And that's what we had to prove.